Ever wanted to improve your coding skills and help build awesome software used by thousands? Let's dive into how you can contribute to a C# open source project on GitHub, a skill that benefits you and the community. First, you'll need a GitHub account and be ready to get your hands dirty. Step 1. Find a C# project on GitHub you'd like to contribute to. Then, click the fork button. This creates your own copy of the project in your GitHub repository. Next, clone the forked repository to your local machine. This will allow you to work with the project on your own computer. Open the project in your favorite C# coding environment. Now, you're ready to make your changes, fix a bug, add a new feature, or improve documentation. Make sure to clearly explain your purpose within the code. Before submitting your changes, commit them with a clear and descriptive message explaining what you have done. This helps other developers understand your changes. The final step, create a pull request. Go to your forked repository on GitHub and click on the Pull Requests tab. Compare your changes to the original project. Then, submit the pull request. Be sure to describe what you change and why your changes may now be reviewed by the open source project maintainers. If your changes pass review and the tests pass, they might be merged into the main project. Congratulations! You've just contributed to open source. You're now helping to build great software and are a valued contributor to the C# community.